Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Manoj World Blog. Guys, today's video topic is all about cruise ship. So what is cruise ship? Cruise ship is a floating hotel. My ship is one of the most biggest ship in the world, and my ship passenger capacity is 4200, and we have 1800 crew on board. So it's total 6000, and my ship has like a plenty restaurants and so many bars, and we have a laser tag, we have a Formula 1 car racing track, we have an observation lounge, we have so many things on board. So all of these things is not possible to make in a video, so I'm going to make two video. So one is part 1 and another one is part 2. So let's go to explore my ship. Thank you very much guys. Whoever is not yet subscribe my channel, please subscribe, and if you like my video, please share my video with your friend and with your family. So thank you very much. Thank you.
We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore like we used to do. We don't laugh anymore. What was all of it for? Ooh, we don't talk anymore like we used to do. I just heard you found the one you've been looking for. I wish I would have known that wasn't me. 'Cause even after all this time I still wonder why I can't move on just the way you did so easily. Don't wanna know the kind of dress you're wearing tonight, if he's holding on to you so tight the way I did before. I overdosed, should've known your love was a game. Now I can't get you out of my brain. Oh, it's such a shame that we don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore like we used to do. We don't laugh anymore. What was all of it for? Ooh, we don't talk anymore like we used to do.
I just hope you're lying next to somebody who knows how to love you like me. There must be a good reason that you're gone. Every now and then I think you might want me to come show up at your door, but I'm just too afraid that I'll be wrong. Don't wanna know if you're looking into her eyes, if she's holding on to you so tight the way I did before. I overdosed, should've known your love was a game. Now I can't get you out of my brain. Oh, it's such a shame
that we don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore like we used to do. We don't laugh anymore. What was all of it for? Ooh, we don't talk anymore like we used to do. Like we used to do. Don't wanna know kind of dress you're wearing tonight, if he's giving it to you just right the way I did before.
I overdosed, should've known your love was a game. Now I can't get you out of my brain.
Oh, it's such a shame that we don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore like we used to do. We don't laugh anymore. What was all of it for? Oh, we don't talk anymore like we used to do. We don't talk anymore.
The way I did before.
We don't talk anymore.
Oh, it's such a shame.
We don't talk anymore.
Selling a dream, smoking mirrors keep us waiting on a miracle, on a miracle.